Want to check out a comic strip getting inked? You'll need to watch this video. Hello everybody, it's me again, your old pal Max West. I draw comics. I also do children's books. Today I'm going to be working on another Poison Ivy Gulch comic strip. This is an interesting one. This one's 4 panels. And in this one, this is part of the April story arc where Ace has to deliver a letter to a friend of Lotta's over in the town of Pig Iron Peak. Her name is Lulabelle. She's a saloon girl. Alright. Now we're going to start on the lettering as usual. Got my bottle of ink there. I'm going to use the C6 pen nib to start inking the letters in first. I just love to hear the sound of the ink nib hitting the paper. And you see how vivid that looks? See? Alright, now let's continue here. See if we can zoom in a bit more as I continue to work on that. Now it takes practice to letter by hand. You know, trying to make the letters look presentable as well as readable. I try to avoid the really fancy lettering and fonts that Walt Kelly used in Pogo. Yeah, read some of that. That was really impressive stuff he did with the lettering there. I think one of the characters, Deacon Mushrat, he spoke in a Gothic script with Gothic lettering. And I think it was the character of P.T. Bridgeport. His speech balloons looked like circus posters. Yeah, I'm not so sure I'll do something like that for Poison Ivy Gulch. Maybe I will. But that's for another day. Yeah, you might notice here I have 4 panels instead of the usual 3. Here we have a nice sound effect. Lulabelle is actually kissing little Ace to thank him for bringing her that letter. My, Ace is a little boy, but he's already a ladies' man. This isn't the last of Lulabelle that we're going to see. She's going to eventually come to Poison Ivy Gulch and join the cast there. We'll be seeing her in the saloon, along with Lorraine Hester, the other saloon girl there. Alright, there we go, making it nice, vivid, and easier to read than the very faint pencil there. Again, this is a skill that can be learned. Anyone can draw. There we go. Now you see how much better that looks? Alright, let's just work here now on the panels. Now for this, I'm going to switch over to the C4 nib. Nice thick one for thick lines on the panels. Alright, let's get that in there. Let's get that in. Some very nice lines. There we go. Again, with Poison Ivy Gulch, you know, I don't draw this ruler straight. Kind of contributes to the rather cartoon feel of the whole thing. Whoops. Oh boy, I did it again. I spattered ink. Just going to have to clean that up later on with some white acrylic paint. Mistakes will happen. I mean, we're all human, aren't we? Yeah, this panel here, Will the Bell kisses Ace. That was fun to draw. I think it's very cute when a woman kisses Ace. I love drawing that. There we are. Now to wrap everything up, I'm going to be doing the panel, doing the speech balloons there, and the thought balloon here in the final panel. So we're going to switch over from the C4 over to the 512 nib, which is my usual workhorse. If I can find that nib point. No, not that one. Huh. What happened? Hang on here. Oh, there it is. Yeah, it got lost. Alright, so this is my workhorse. That's the 512. And now we're going to fill in the speech balloons here. There we are. Yeah, I don't see thought balloons that much in comic strips anymore. It's mainly Garfield who uses those. And me. And there we go. Got most of that inked. I'm going to let this dry for a while, and in the next video, we're going to draw in the line art. So until later, this is your old pal Max West saying goodbye.